Hello TEQ Crypto followers, welcome to our video. Today, we will conduct a technical analysis of Cybercoin. Since it's a newly launched coin in the market, we will perform our analysis on an hourly time frame. Here we have a descending trend. Additionally, we can say that there's a short-term ascending trend, but we can observe that this upward trend has been breached downward. This breach is not very positive. We can expect the price movements to drop to around $70. Moreover, if we look at our indicators, my friends, the RSI indicator is providing a sell signal at around 9 o'clock. Along with this, if we look at the RSI indicator, it's dropping below the 50 level. As long as it stays below this level, we can anticipate further declines in the price movements. Along with this, if we see an upward movement again after dropping to around $70, it's likely to rise to around $4.18. That's approximately a 10 to 13% increase. So, we can indeed say that it could provide us with a good profit opportunity. Buying at these levels could be risky, so caution is advised. If buying is done around $70, placing a stop loss slightly below might be a more appropriate approach. On the upper side, my friends, for our targets to be achieved, the $4.67 level needs to be breached. For the long term, breaking the $5.29 level is also crucial. We must keep these points in mind. In this video, we conducted an analysis of CyberConnect coin. If you liked the video, you can click the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel to stay informed about upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.